Hello and welcome to the Your Next Car walk around video of the BMW 435D Grand Coupe here at Your Next Car. So we'll give you a little walk around the outside whilst I talk you through some of the features and options we have on this stunning vehicle. Starting of course with the outside, where you'll see we've fitted the Your Next Car performance kit, which is fitted all in-house. Starting with the front, where you'll see we've fitted the satin front splitter and the gloss black kidney grills. This vehicle is obviously on a 2017 plate, so it is of course a facelift model. It is also a Shadow Edition, so we get the Shadow Edition 19-inch M Sport alloy wheels. Behind that, you will note that it has the M Sport brake package. That is thanks to this vehicle having the M Sport Plus pack. Included in that is a wide array of other options, which we'll get through shortly. Down the side, we have the satin side vinyls, side decals and performance decals. It benefits from having privacy glass. Moving on into the interior, where we find the black Dakota leather with the M Sport stitching. The two front seats are also electrically adjusted, as well as the memory function on the driver's side. We also have the superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7 as part of the M Sport Plus pack. Moving on into the rear seats, where we have the Isofix ready rear bench. And of course that superb M Sport stitching throughout once again. Moving around to the very rear of the vehicle, where we find the gloss black rear boot spoiler, satin diffuser, and of course, being a 435D, we have the superb X-Drive four-wheel drive system. Again, another touch on the facelift is the facelifted rear tail lights. We also have the reverse camera on this vehicle, which I will show you a little bit more in depth in just a moment. Grand Coupes have the opening and closing tailgate automatically. We also have a very large boot space, along with the velour floor mats that come as standard with the M Sport models. Folding seats should it be required, however for day to day you'll find that the boot space is phenomenally large. So I'll give you a nice side view down the side and show you off the 19-inch Shadow Edition wheels once again, and an in-depth view of the M Sport rear brakes. Moving into the driver's side, where we of course find the memory function for the driver's side seat. We also have another superb option, is the power fold mirror function, which can be done via the key or on the little button just here on the window switch. We also have the M Sport multifunction steering wheel. Climbing on into the interior, where we find not only is the two front seats heated as well as being electrically adjusted, we also have the heated seat function. We have the facelifted iDrive, which is the professional wide navigation and media. As you can see there, we've got the navigation screen up. Going to the main menu brings us up the latest connected drive with online search function. We also have the weather guide, weather reports, and of course the online function, which I've just mentioned. Bluetooth communications and media, DAB radio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. We also have the superb 8-speed sport gearbox with pedal shift, cruise control function with speed limiter. We have the voice control, volume controls. The vehicle itself has covered just over 32,000 miles, so another nice low mileage example. Another nice feature, as well as the seats being heated, we also have the steering wheel heating function, which is especially nice at this time of the year and for the colder winter months. Jumping on into the vehicle information, i.e. all the service history, as you can see everything is in green, and going very up to the top is where all the service history is recorded for these vehicles. So as you can see, it has the one service the vehicle would require, thanks to these vehicles having 20,000 mile service intervals. It's also had the one PDI service check, which is a pre-delivery service inspection, so that was when the vehicle was brand new. Okay. Oh, just before I exit the vehicle, I did say I'd show you off the rear reversing camera. So there is the display of what you get. So as well as the rear camera, you get front and rear parking sensors. We have also got the head-up display function. A little bit difficult to show you that on the camera, however it will just show speed, and as if you do have a sat-nav route set, it will show you turn-by-turn displays, along with a few other functions that can do as well. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around video for the 435D Grand Coupe here at Your Next Car. We of course hope you found the video useful, but most of all we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, and of course take care and goodbye. Thank you.